So you want a new construction home in East Cobb, Marietta, but you think that everything out here is out of budget. Well, I'm about to prove you wrong. Let me introduce you to Toll Brothers at East Cobb Walk in Marietta, Georgia, a brand new townhome community with incredible designs. And the location is super hot. With easy access to I-75, you have shops and parks. And when I tell you the price, you'll realize that affordable luxury is actually a thing. Now, what I love most about this community is that it blends in so well with the peaceful East Cobb vibe with total convenience. Now, you have the avenues of East Cobb that is just a short distance away. You also have Whole Foods around the corner and easy access to I-75. So downtown Atlanta, it's only a 25-minute ride. And if you want to explore outside, you will enjoy being close to Fuller's Park, East Cobb Park, and also the Chattahoochee Trails. It's modern, it's low-maintenance lifestyle. It's perfect for someone who's starting the next chapter, whether it's a new home or they're forever downsized. So stick around because I'm going to take you inside this home and the layouts will definitely surprise you. So Toll Brothers at East Cobb Walk has a total of 102 home sites. Currently, they are towards the end of their phase 1 of construction. They offer 2 different collections of homes. The Emerald Collection, which is their 2-story townhomes right behind me, and they come in square footage from anywhere from 2,000 to 2,800 square feet. And then you also have their Sapphire Collection, which is their 3-story townhomes, and they come in the square footage of around 2,003 square feet with the option of a loft. Now, all the designs in these townhomes are pre-selected with 4 different design packages that you can select from. There is no design studio appointments with these. These are also in excellent school districts of Cobb County. Best schools in Cobb County, you have Mountain View Elementary, Simpson Middle School, and Brayberry High School. Also, this community has amazing amenities. You have a swimming pool, a fire pit area, and a cabana with only $199 a month, which is your HOA fee. And for all of my investors, there is a 10% rental cap should you want to invest in any of these townhomes. So today, I'm going to show you the Oakridge Elite floor plan, which is one of their largest floor plan. It's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2,844 is the square footage. It is one of their largest plans, and they have added a loft on the very top level, which kind of gives you so much space, and it looks and feels so much bigger on the inside than on the outside, which you'll be so surprised to see. So let's step inside. Now, as you come inside this entrance foyer and through this door, this is a nice narrow entryway. You have 10-foot ceilings on the entire main level. Now notice the luxury hardwood floors. These are standard that comes with every townhome. Something else you see the paneling on the left side. That's something it's only offered in the model, and that is not an option that you can add in other townhomes. Here is a second view of the entrance foyer. The wallpaper is also not an option, only available in the model, but not an option in other townhomes. To my right here is the half bathroom on this level. Now the hardwood floors continues throughout the entire main level. The entrance foyer nicely opens up to this grand living room. Nice open floor plan. You also have the dining room and this beautiful kitchen. This living room is absolutely beautiful, surrounded by a ton of windows, bathes the space in natural light. I love what they have done with the fireplace and the mantle. You have an electric fireplace, 42-inch, which is a standard in this floor plan. In this living room, you currently have a light fixture that is not offered. Usually there's a ceiling fan with a light in the ceiling. That's a standard feature in living room and in primary bedroom. The heart of the home is this beautifully designed kitchen. Now you have two-tone colors in the cabinets and on the island. You also have stainless steel appliances in this kitchen, silestone countertop, and you also have quartz on the opposite end. Standard, you will see a microwave and oven that comes standard in this kitchen. Whirlpool appliances are standard in the kitchen as well. This one will have a KitchenAid package. The vent hood is also a standard. In this particular model, you have a single vent hood. A standard package will have a cabinet up top, but it still vents outside. The pendant lighting in this kitchen are standard. You also get a 5 burners cooktop and a big sink. I like the two-tone cabinetry, which is the luxe package in this model. Right behind the kitchen is also your dining space, which gives you a picturesque view of your backyard. Again, this one shows a round table, but you also can put a rectangular table and have more seating in this space. Moving on, I want to step outside on this backyard. It automatically, you get a covered porch, which is a standard with recessed lightings and a fan. And this is a great space for your evening glass of wine or even a morning cup of coffee. This is a standard size backyard you get with this townhome. The lawn care is included. Next up, we're gonna go upstairs through this alley. The door straight in front goes to your 2-car garage. You also have your pantry right over here. And you have a coat closet that is next to it. Hardwood floors on the stairs are a standard. All right, coming upstairs, you have primary suite on one end and the laundry room. And you have the other 2 bedrooms on the opposite end, kind of like a roommate style floor plan. So we're gonna start with secondary bedrooms first. This is bedroom 1. On the second level, a very good sized bedroom, has a walk-in closet. For context, again, you can put this is a full-size bed in here. Has end tables and a desk on one side. It does have enough room where you can put a queen-size bed in here as well. And you also have room for your dresser. 9-foot ceilings on this floor. And next to this room, you have your second bedroom on this level. I just love the amount of light, how bright each and every room is. Nice big room. Easily put a queen size bed in here and still have enough room for end tables on each side. This one has a standard size closet. Next to the bedroom is the common shared bathroom between the 2 bedrooms. It has a tub and shower, beautiful tile that they have selected. Next up is your primary suite, but before we get there, I want to show you the laundry room, which is a very good size. Now this one in here, some of the townhomes do offer a sink and some of them don't. The washer dryer does not come with the townhomes. Now this is your primary suite, which is a very good size, again surrounded by windows. I love some of the light fixtures they have selected throughout the entire townhome. Now you may see some wallpaper along the accent wall behind the bed. That is not something they offer or do in other townhomes. And with this primary suite is also a beautifully designed primary bath. Now this is how it comes standard in all the townhomes. You have a separate tub and shower, and you have this nice dual vanity, lots of counter space. I love the tile selection they have picked. You may get different tiles in different townhomes depending on the package they have selected. I even love the gold tone mirrors and how the dark hardware ties in so well with it. Plus you also have your nice walk-in closet in here. Now the exciting part is the third level, and what they have done with that space is truly incredible. So make sure you stick around. So coming back through the alley and going up to the third level. Now I did forget to mention that hardwood floors are a standard in all the landing areas, the loft on the third level, and it's carpet in all the bedrooms. That's what you will get in all the basic options. Now look at the built-ins and what they have done in this loft area. This gives you another living space. And I know the contractors who have done this particular built-in if you want to duplicate it. And behind this, you have your full bathroom. And a bedroom. Think of this as a teen suite. They can have their own level to themselves. Now the trims on the walls, the coffered style trims, is not an option that Toll Brothers offer, only available in the model. And this is the walk-in closet for the upper bedroom. So if this feels like your kind of home, then I would love to schedule a tour and show you the home in person. I'm Ivan Savant. I'm a local Atlanta realtor, and I specialize in new construction homes with Toll Brothers and some of the other builders as well. Now, I am one of their preferred realtors that they love to work with. So I would love to help you with the process as well. You can call me or text me at the number on the screen, or you will find all of my information in the description below. And if you're looking for a new construction home in Atlanta and the surrounding areas, make sure to subscribe to my channel and watch these two next videos. They are of different communities in a similar area, and I'll see you there.